Happy Thursday, everybody. Today is Advocacy Thursday, and today's topic is You Don't Have to Eat It. Welcome to the Daily Spoonful, where small bites of truth nourish big change. I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and today I want to give you permission that you never needed, but that you might be waiting for. You're allowed to say no to food that hurts you. We live in a world where declining desserts is treated as rude, but eating yourself sick is somehow polite. People say things like, you don't need to be so strict, one bite won't kill you, or my personal favorite, you're no fun anymore. Let me be clear, you're not being rude, you're being responsible, and you're not depriving yourself, you're defending your healing. But I get it. Saying no is tough, especially when you're with people you love. You don't want to seem difficult, you don't want to hurt feelings, and let's be honest, sometimes we say yes just to avoid an awkward moment. But saying yes to food that derails your health just to make someone else comfortable, that's not kindness, that's self-abandonment. I was visiting my niece and her family recently. I love them dearly. They know how I eat, and they always make sure I have options that work for me. Eggs, meat, clean options for cookouts. They go out of their way. It's thoughtful, respectful, supportive. But her husband, total sugar junkie, he's always trying to offer me a cookie or a sweet, even though he knows I don't eat it anymore. And not in a malicious way, he just doesn't get it. Just because someone offers it doesn't mean you have to accept it. I smile and say, no, I'm good, but thanks. And I move on. No drama, no explaining, no guilt. Here's how I hold the line. Thanks, but I've got what I need. Or no, thank you. I feel better eating this way. Not today. Short, clear, kind. You don't owe anyone a TED Talk at the dinner table. You're not being difficult, you're being intentional. The people who truly care about you, they'll start to notice your energy, your results, your joy, and they might even come around without a word from you. So have you ever had to dodge food pushers at a family event? Drop a comment and tell us what you say. So let's crowdsource some good one-liners for everyone in this situation. Like and subscribe for more boundary setting, plate protecting, health affirming truth every Thursday. Food is emotional, but it's also powerful, and you have the right to choose what fuels your healing. You don't need permission, you don't need a reason, you just need to remember you're allowed to say no to food that hurts you. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.